आयज 31 मे राष्ट्रीय तंबाखू विरोधी दीस. तंबाखूच्या व्यसनाक आडोवपा खातीर संवसारीक पावंड्यार यत्न चालू आसात. प्रोटेक्टिंग चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम टॉबॅको इंडस्ट्री इंटरफियरन्स हे अंदू वर्साचे घोशवाक्य जावन आसा. चित्रपट अभिनेत्यांच्यो जायराती पळोवन विद्यार्थी तांचे अनुकरण करतात. हे बंद जावपाक जाय. सिगरेट गुटखा हे सायलंट किलर आसात. हालींसराक सिगरेट गुटखा सारिकिल्ल्या तंबाखू जन्य पदार्थाच्या सेवनाचे प्रकार शाळा कॉलेजींनी खूपच वाडला. कोणेच तंबाखूचे बकीक पडचे न्हय, वायट व्यसना पासून पयस रावचे अशें आवाहन डॉ. शेखर साळकार हांणी तंबाखू विरोधी दिसा निमतान केलां.
In our country, 1 out of 5 students have tasted tobacco in some form or others. That is almost 20%, which is quite a high number. It is shown by the Global Youth Tobacco Survey, which is done in India. I want all the like-minded people to come and fight against this big evil. The tobacco causes cancer is known to everyone, and quitting tobacco, one who is smoking already, reduces the risk of cancer by a significant way. So I request everybody to quit smoking as early as possible. Smoking is gateway to the drugs. Those who don't smoke very unlikely to go with the drugs. So my sincere request to everyone, especially the students, because this year the theme is for the students and the younger generation to quit tobacco if they are using tobacco as early as possible.